Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I transformed this inexpensive buffet table that I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond into a glam buffet table that is a bit more my style. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I purchased this buffet table for a little over $200, and in about 2 weeks, my table arrived in 3 separate boxes. Unfortunately, this table did not come with any legible instructions, the pre-drill holes were not properly aligned, and my husband and I found it very difficult to put together. I'll also let you know that 2 of the 4 mirrors that came with this buffet arrived broken. However, the company quickly sent me out 2 replacement mirrors, so overall, I was happy with my purchase. So the first thing I did was change the color of my buffet table using some of this Zinsser primer, Rust-Oleum Champagne Gold Metallics accent paint, and polycrylic. Originally, I wasn't going to paint the inside of my buffet table, but you'll see that I changed my mind a little bit later on in the project. I'm using this smooth foam paint roller that I picked up from Lowe's to apply my paint and my polycrylic. I decided to line the inside of my buffet table with this stainless steel colored contact paper. As you can see, the shelves are textured, so I didn't get the stainless steel look I was going for, but I was still happy with the final results. Here's how the inside turned out. Instead of keeping my mirrors plain, I've decided to decorate them with this chrome molding that I picked up from Amazon. I added the chrome molding to the top and bottom of each of my mirrors. I also added these crystal knobs that I purchased from Home Goods some time ago. About 4 hours later, I added the mirrors to my doors, and I also touched up my paint as needed. I then allowed my buffet table to dry overnight. The following day, I added 2 coats of polyacrylic to protect my paint finish. And finally, I added more of the chrome molding to my buffet table. I may eventually end up adding more mirror and chrome trim to the top of my buffet table, but for now, I am really happy with how this week's project turned out. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I've also decided to change out this light fixture with this really pretty raindrop chandelier that I picked up from Amazon. I hope to have my new chandelier installed by next weekend, so if you're interested in seeing the final results, be sure that you're following me on Instagram. And of course, we can't forget about our 2 broken mirrors. Be on the lookout for a project using these broken mirrors coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.